Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, we're going to learn how to find the determinant of a 2x2 matrix. We'll start by going over a few of the basics of a determinant that you need to know, and then we'll dive right into the formula and then walk through some examples. Let's start by first learning what is a determinant. A determinant is just a real number that provides important information about a matrix. The determinant of a matrix is denoted as DET of A or A with straight bars on either side of it. The other thing that you need to know about determinants is that you can only take the determinant of a square matrix. If the matrix is not square, you can't find the determinant. Let's now go over the formula for the determinant of a 2x2 matrix. If we have a matrix A and its entries are A, B, C, D, then the determinant of A, written like this or like this, is equal to the main diagonal elements multiplied, that's A times D, minus the off diagonal elements multiplied, that's B times C. So the formula that you need to remember is AD minus BC. Let's now look at some examples. In each of these examples, we are going to find the determinant. Let's look at our first example. The determinant of A is equal to the mean diagonal elements multiplied, that's 2 times 4, minus the off diagonal elements multiplied, which is 5 times 3. So this gives us 8 minus 15, which is equal to minus 7. And that's our answer, and notice that it's just a number. Let's now do our second example. You may want to pause the video and try this one on your own. I'm going to use the other notation for this one, so I'm going to have a bar and then A and a bar. That just means the determinant of A. It's equal to the main diagonal elements multiplied, so that's 2 times 10, minus the off diagonal elements multiplied, which is 5 times 4. And this is 20 minus 20, and it's equal to 0. And that's it. You now know how to calculate the determinant of a 2x2 matrix.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.